Hi, Coach Rosenblatt here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the squat harness premium adjustable. First, place each arm through the corresponding side of the harness. You should have the loop handles right above your shoulders. Find the adjustable length straps under the loop handles and tighten them completely or as tight as comfortably possible. Connect the carabiners and connector straps to each D-ring like so. Select the appropriate weight on each cable stack, and once you are ready to begin, connect the ends of each connector strap to the cable pulleys, then set the pulleys all the way down to the lowest possible setting. Hold the railing of your cable machine to help you get to the start position. Check your feet and make sure you are standing directly between the two cable pulleys and place your feet shoulder width apart with your toes pointing outwards. Now you are ready to squat. You can use the loop handles, or you can grip the rails of the machine for support. It is recommended to grip the rails in order to increase range of motion while under a load. There are many useful strategies to improve squat mobility, such as holding on the way down, then letting go at the bottom while coming back up. You can also do reverse lunges, deadlifts, and calf raises from this setup. If you stay connected to the machine and take short rests between sets, you can finish an entire leg workout in just 10 minutes. Are you ready for the 10-minute challenge? Here's what you gotta do. Film yourself doing 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps of each of the following exercises: squats, reverse lunges, deadlifts, and calf raise. You can rest your knees on a yoga block between sets. When you finish, let us know how many minutes it took to finish. Until then, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching and enjoy your workout.